I'm Kat Miller, and this is Dice TV. Spring has sprung, and with it the blossoming of fresh young buds into full bloom. No, I'm not actually talking about flowers. What I am talking about is a seasonally themed metaphor to bring up graduation season. So in honor of this, dear grads, your foray into the world of not being able to call home for cash, we're going to go over the 5 hottest jobs out there for you and your brand spanking new degree. One way to fatten up those skimpy resumes right out of the gate is to go after contract positions instead of trying to land a stable gig straight away. Build your skill set and experience first, and one great field in which to do that is software architecture and development. C# development, SQL development, web development with HTML5, CSS3, jQuery. These are skills that are in high demand, and less than 2% of those experts are unemployed. So there is a definite talent shortage, and that means ripe opportunities. This next field is one that posted 131% job growth last year. Mobile application development. But you can just call it apps, and games, and e-commerce, and the enablement of mobile in the enterprise. There is still an awful lot left to develop before we can actually run global wars from these things, or, something pleasant. And they need the minds to make that happen. If you know what this is, then big data analytics may be the right fit for you. What they're looking for is someone with an undergrad in computer science and a grad in math, or an undergrad in math and a grad in computer science. Not like they're picky or anything. So if that applies to you, then go after this field, because with big data, you are waving at the future. Another field just brimming with opportunities is one with a ticking clock attached. And we all know a ticking clock means a hiring boom. Healthcare providers are still scrambling to meet deadlines for the digitization of medical records. And that means application development, big data analytics, and cloud computing technologies. So study up on healthcare lingo and the environment. And once you do, bigger opportunities will be coming at you from all directions. The last top job is one of my personal faves, and is another field with really strong job growth over the next 10 years. If you are a nut for Gran Turismo 5 and Assassin's Creed, like me, but when you play you think, I could do that, and I could do it better, then video game design may be a perfect fit for you. If creativity is your forte, go for it with this, because truly, there is absolutely no end in sight, and it will only get bigger. Those are 5 prime gigs just ripe for the picking, so get out there and put some dents in those shiny new diplomas. Good luck. I'm Kat Miller, and this is Dice TV.